that it only measures probabilities connection between some letters. It doesn't understand anything, like words, concepts, or something. But because in every language you have another probability of connection between two letters, in English different, in Chinese different, this is still so powerful technique that they are great, imitate very good poems and literature, and the same is with music. But the story is that, yeah, music is, I need like 5 minutes, and here's what you can have, like recurrent neural network for, I don't know, no, doesn't work, something happened between, like part of information. So I need to start to define it once again, like few nodes, I don't know, this old version of super collider, but, and a few, maybe something more complex. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, and here is composition. I'm working with dense, noisy compositions, like piece. So I'm defining here, and there's no word. Something happened. Sorry, I cannot present it.
No, but we can imagine.
The story is that the information in the composition, we can hear some other stuff, but from the composition is, I'm a bit quick. I don't know what happened with this. It's stored as a neural network, meaning that potentially it can be used as for generating a new version of your composition. But, and you are choosing what you like you're receiving 100 version of your piece. But the topic of, and my research is like, don't choose this, your compositions by yourself. So I'm putting on this group of recurrent neural networks another neural network, which will select and will organize these pieces. So this is meta level. That on the tops of some networks you have another network. And this is so good for generalization something. There are more cognitive and more advanced than others. Last story is about reinforcement learning. You are starting to collect some data from environment. Also, you see this like rotated image of this drawing area. Because like feedback situation or recurrent situation, that from data from environment, like from without any examples of human activity, robot or another machine can learn to make something. I will try to find like physical example how it works. You have these techniques in which you are like putting to the system thousands of examples of human activity. For voice recognition or for image recognition, they are putting like 10,000 database of images of cat. And then after training, they are checking if what happened if you are putting new photo of unknown cat without not connected at all with database. But this system generalized and recognized this object. But here's more interesting technique. That system is starting without no any data from human, no human models, no human. It's starting work by itself, playing by itself with itself. And I will try to find robot or something like starfish. Sounds. Sounds are like, I don't know. This is like our piano, but when we are looking for dark, something like Starfish. Sorry, I didn't prepare it earlier. So, yeah, maybe short version. So you can observe here how the goal is to learn to walk, and the only information is some physical data about floor. And there is no example of any animals, like physical, like biological starfish. No. And it's starting and very shortly, based on this concrete environment situation by this feedback performance learning, starting to walk like this. And this is so there is no any examples. And unusual is that this is so organic. It's very organic, it looks like animal in some sense. But there was no any like examples from animals. It was only reinforcement learning, like recurrent process, used many times.
This is from Golem project?
No, this is like aerial project, and I'm not robotic guy, but it's from with guys from Russia. But the thing is that
Jest jeszcze Golem i on tam ma trzy nóżki. Są najprostsze.
you can cut, and it also starts to learn. This is expensive for me, so this is why I use this robotics like spider, like virtual robotics. Yeah, you saw this movie with
with spiders.
yeah, and the problem is different because more complex for me. What I make in Budapest in this Institute of Advanced Studies. The thing is that this environment for this robot was totally, in some sense, frozen, like stable physical information. And the question is how to build like a new generation of neural network, which will react and learn and adapt very quickly if the environment is changing. It is totally difficult goal. People can easily adapt. People don't need 10,000 like examples, or don't need to spend long time to learn something. We need like 3 examples and we cut something, yeah? So this is also another problem, how to make in AI like next generation of neural networks which will be more similar to human activity. So shortly I'm finishing without, I deal with many, but no, some philosophy. Think about this model and the thinking space as also kind of situation when part of information, one thing is that you are sucking some data from environment and you are organizing this data. But there's another process which is kind of recurrent or feedback process inside you when you organize collected data. So there's a kind of reinforcement learning inside you. And based on this process, when you are using part of information, you can create many things and describe many things. Probably the one of the most important problems is how many information should be removed, forget it. Because we are removing from our memory and our brain activity a lot of information. I call it like kind of carousel, but at the same time, if composers are working with I don't know, building like good Yamaha synthesizer or something, they are using this feedback and they are using techniques and they call it like filtering, meaning removing, minus some information. If you are adding some new data, it's like additive gluing, merging some ways, or additive synthesis. So think about that we are still in the part of like activity in computer science, which is only continuation of some research from 70s Actually, it's like 50 years old domain. And there's nothing unusual in this domain that you have this propaganda terms like deep learning. Deep means nothing. It means if you have 2 layers, it is deep. Because you have not 1 layer, but 2 or 3 layers. This is called deep. But the word used for like advertising of this approach is so powerful, but we'll see what happens next years with this domain. Okay, this is all what I wanted to say today. Maybe it will be useful for somebody who maybe not.
Any doubts, any questions, any new ideas, and you want to...
We can discuss also in club tonight or next night, but you are invited to cooperation or to see like results of residency on Sunday. I probably will play with that as a last person.
So once more, Robert, what is the key for you to be connected with the system in healthcare?
No, I will probably make something and perform, but I'm going to put few recurrent networks and these agents like. For me, because I'm also like visual artist, and I work, but not in perception sense, but like visionary, like more connected with, I don't know, aura or some not physical objects. This visual part is important, and I tried to use during this residency some neural network to generate new like spaces, like new class of spaces and new like technique of video synthesis, which is tricky how to make this without super strong hardware and without GPU, etc. So how to put to really, which is part of for example, visual art activity or composer activity, this computer science technique, not as an imitation. Engineers use and build some examples which are totally not useful in art. So the trick is how to use this technique of computing in art, how to build the approach. Actually, every engineer, this is one example, very strong example. Every engineer starting from removing nodes. But not in art. In art, you still deal on the edge with some random things, not random. And you need still have, so you can think that maybe the main popular algorithms in computer science are not created for artists at all, in some sense. They are rational in this sense that and they are for us, as for every human. But so this is like educational also, or like scientific goal, how to kick computer scientists to create a bit different algorithm for art. Not only use the algorithm they created, but how to influence to their domain. Yeah.
Basically, the GPU computing is a great type. When they discover what can they do with the graphical languages, it's basically it's like the neural networks or big matrices computing images inside the parallel computing processor. So, in my opinion, the graphic card, the language behind it, till the GLSL, and now it's switched to the native volcano. So it's more common with art than with mathematics, because they did not.
But this is like more fundamental. I'm also no. The main thing is that you have this like TensorFlow or Torch. What means like TensorFlow? You are using like multi-dimensional vector. It's like and the story is, and in every system later you have only like arrays. But in multidimensional array, like sequence of numbers. The question is, you can totally change approach based on your psychological or other approach to use like another type of object inside, not arrows, not tensors, but information will be sent to function or to neural network in different sense. It will be, for example, kind of algebraic structure, or it will be like multi-dimensional structure. It will be different type of computing, like quantum computing or something like this. Okay, thank you once again for invitation and for your attention. Today are some concert and
Yeah, we start at 8 o'clock. There are 3 programs, and then after that we stay in a space as yesterday. Yeah. With the supervision of Artur. Thank you very much. Dziękujemy bardzo. Robimy przerwę w tej chwili. Bardzo dziękujemy za Państwa cierpliwość, za Państwa obecność. To było tyle, co przygotowaliśmy na dzisiaj dla Państwa. Również dziękuję bardzo. Do zobaczenia wkrótce. Proszę nie zgasić tak szybko światła. Proszę jeszcze chwileczkę zostawić światło. I tak generalnie ja tylko za siebie chcę powiedzieć, że za tydzień jest święto, także piątek się nie spotykamy, następny piątek tylko za 2 tygodnie, ale Państwo jesteście z pierwszego roku, to my się spotkamy za rok.
Jakieś zmiany, tak? Za tydzień nie ma zajęć?
Znaczy za tydzień jest 1 listopada, więc z tego powodu